Cut the spinach to a small part. It's easy to blending. Spinach that usually isn't throughout of as a sexy vegetable, but it can rev up your sex drive in more ways than on. This leafy green is rich in magnesium, a mineral that can boost your testosterone. Garlic is a powerful ingredient that has been linked to many potential health benefits. According to some human and animal studies, it may improve sexual function by increasing blood flow and enhancing fertility, especially in men. How to use honey and garlic for manpower? Watch the video till the end. You will know about this. Add a cup of water to the blender. Water, garlic and spinach. Make it blend and make a liquid paste. Garlic stimulates your sexual desire. Please click the like button. Strain the juice to a glass. Now it is time to add raw honey. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey contains an ingredient called boron that helps regulate hormones in men. Now mix it well. This drink gives you energy and strength for the whole night. Drink it 30 minutes before bed and you will get a perfect result. Please don't forget to follow our page or subscribe. Thanks for watching.